Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use stopwatch or timer in iPhone 15. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, go to app library and then click on utilities folder. Now open clock app, and if you want to use stopwatch, then click on stopwatch and then click on start. You can also add laps to it, and if you want to stop, then click on stop, then reset. And if you want to use timer, then click on timer and set the timer. After the timer is finished, it will play the alarm sound. You can also change the sound from here. You can use any sound. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.